Hey, Dr. Tyler Williams at Pinecrest Dental. Thanks for watching this video here. You're here today because you have some questions about dental implants and getting full mouth dental implants and what's the cost of full mouth dental implants. And this is a great question, right? So the first thing to kind of figure out is, do you need to, or do you want to rather, have to have all of your teeth replaced? And for most people, we find that actually full mouth dental implants is not the best option. However, we have an option called the smile transformation that I can go into in a minute that will make all of your teeth look just as good and be as strong as full mouth dental implants, but you don't have to lose your teeth. That's something a lot of people don't know about because many places just offer you a one size fits all, which is take all your teeth out and put implants in. But we sometimes have patients referred here who wish they wouldn't have gone that direction. I have a patient just last week who's actually switching to something different because she got full mouth dental implants and she doesn't love certain parts of it. That being said, many people do really well with it. And you can have even a partial mouth of implants replaced and then something like veneers done on your other teeth or Invisalign to fix them, strengthen them, straighten them. And then you have a nice healthy bite, and then your recovery is faster and things just feel more natural, easier to chew with, and those kind of things. So something to consider when you're looking into this, because if you go straight to cost, you can run into problems. We've had people go to some of the low-cost places, and they end up having to get the whole thing redone and then some, so it's now cost 2 to 3 times as much as it would have originally, and it's very sad. No one wants to go through that. I don't want to see anyone go through that. So a couple things you want to talk about an office if you're considering full mouth dental implants and looking at the cost. Okay, the first one would be what are the payment options, right? So there might be a painful savings, but what if you're going to break this up into payments? What would that look like? The second one would be when something goes wrong or doesn't work, what do you do in your office? Okay, it's a very important question. Because, when I got into doing implant dentistry 12, 13 years ago, I never thought, I didn't want to have to deal with an implant that go bad because I never want that for a patient. Never want someone to go through that. But it does happen from time to time, and usually it's nothing major. We haven't had anything where someone was going to get full mouth dental implants and then all of a sudden they couldn't have a full mouth of teeth. Nothing like that. But sometimes one of the screws may have an issue, or your body may reject it the first time or something like that. So just talk with them. Hey, if something goes wrong here, what are you going to do to make sure I'm taken care of? It's a very important question because implants are about 90 to 95% successful the first time, but if yours happens to be one of those 5 to 10% of implants that has an issue, what's going to be, what are you going to do to make that right? And then the second thing is, what is going to be done to make your visits comfortable as possible and accommodating with your schedule. So comfortable as far as, things that can be offered to make your mouth numb more comfortably than just having the shot put in there. A lot of people care about that. Or if you want to be put to sleep for it, what are the options there? And then the options at subsequent visits to make sure that's comfortable. So hopefully this has been helpful for you. Questions you want to ask when you're looking at getting full mouth dental implants, so that the price is important, because you want to be making sure you're getting really good value for your money. But because I've done this enough, I know that even though some people might spend thousands of dollars on a full mouth of implants, it usually is going to last them many years or decades, probably much longer than any car you're going to drive. So when you look at it from that standpoint, you know that it's worth more than a car, or maybe even worth more than your apartment or your home, because you're going to use that smile and those teeth every single day of your life. For the rest of your life. So if you have some further questions on this, don't hesitate to call us or leave comments below. That helps us with further and future videos on this important topic that a lot of people ask us about. So hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.